Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I am back in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk here at the Hard Rock Cafe, the South Tower. I did a tour on this suite a couple weeks ago. I don't know what I did to deserve this suite. It was comped, but I certainly appreciated it. I'm heading downstairs today to check out the Hard Rock Cafe. I've been there many times. I don't think I've taken you guys along. Maybe in a video a year or two ago I did as a sidetrack. But today the main event is the Hard Rock Cafe downstairs. I'm going to order up that mac and cheese. I love the mac and cheese here at the buffet, the Harvest Buffet. Not sure if it's the same one, but I'm going to check it out. Anyway, let's head downstairs and check out the Hard Rock Cafe and see what's going on down there. From the Hard Rock Cafe website, a 400-seater serving up nothing but the hits, the Atlantic City Hard Rock Cafe brings guests all the most famous fare we're known for, plus some unique dishes exclusive to our boardwalk location. Bite into something savory and order up some room service if you're feeling indulgent. The familiar comforts of Hard Rock's menu, along with the unbeatable scenery of the boardwalk and everything beyond it, all make for the perfect place to greet or end another day in Atlantic City. The Hard Rock's been very gracious. I've stayed here a lot lately, and one of the things I've noticed is it smells like rug shampoo when you're here, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, but you definitely smell rug shampoo. And looking down at the floors, the rugs are spotless, so I guess they're just shampooing the rugs constantly here at the Hard Rock in Atlantic City. There's a shot of beautiful Atlantic City on a not-so-beautiful early evening. Hopefully things will clear up overnight, and we'll have a beautiful day tomorrow. These large photos with a little history seem to feature a different artist on every floor. I'm on the 38th floor right now, and I've been taking photographs of every single one on floors that I've stayed at, and maybe I'll do a montage someday. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, Ripley's Believe It or Not. Great job, Robert. To me, this area is the focal point of the Hard Rock, between those see-through stairs, that huge LED concert screen, and that guitar hanging overhead is simply beautiful. And as far as music in a hotel and casino, Hard Rock has everyone beat, as well they should, but it's not just hits and classic rock stuff like that. They do play that, but they also play like really hidden, obscure tracks once in a while, and I'll be walking around the casino and I'm like, I thought I was the only person that knew that song, but really great music here. Obviously, I can't play it in the video, but really good music at the Hard Rock. And again, it should be really good. I mean, it's the Hard Rock, right? Like I said, I've stayed here a lot, and I did a couple room tours. There's lots more room tours coming up, different types of rooms here at the Hard Rock. And I know I've done a lot of quick walkthroughs in videos such as this one of the Hard Rock, but I haven't done a really good extensive video tour of the hotel and casino. So I'm going to think about that and work on it and get one up here on the channel quickly. Hey you, are you enjoying this video? I'm hoping you are, and if you are, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? As I've always said, it does help the channel out, and quite frankly, it motivates me and gets me out of bed in the morning. And I always said the best way to start the day is getting out of bed, so why not subscribe? Coming up here is the main boardwalk entrance or exit, depending upon how you look at it, if you're coming or going. And right next to it is the Hard Rock Cafe. We just passed a bunch of their upscale restaurants here. Fantastic restaurants here at the Hard Rock. But we're here to check out the Hard Rock Cafe. So what I decided on the Twisted Mac chicken and cheese, 100% all-natural grilled chicken breast sliced and served on cavatappi pasta tossed in a 4-cheese sauce blend with diced red peppers, $23.99, and of course, an unsweetened iced tea. The bar here at the Hard Rock Cafe is usually pretty crowded. I don't know which one is more crowded, this one or the lobby bar up front. Both have live entertainment. It's a little early for the live entertainment, but both get pretty crowded as the evening goes on. This looks and smells delicious. This bowl is quite deep. There's a lot of mac and cheese here, a lot of creamy mac and cheese, and those red peppers, those aren't hot peppers, they're just regular bell peppers, but they're bringing a lot of flavor to this meal. Now, nutritionally, I feel good about my choice here tonight because I have a grilled chicken breast on top. It's sliced, it tastes really good, seasoned perfectly. That makes this dish healthy as far as I'm concerned. And it came with the garlic toast, so I didn't need to order French fries. So what I have before me is a low-carb healthy dinner. Oh, I can just see the comments now. You guys take me way too seriously. So I am obviously enjoying this mac and cheese, and that chicken really does taste. It's really seasoned nicely. The mac and cheese, however, is not the same mac and cheese that they have at the Harvest Buffet upstairs, which is some of the best mac and cheese I've ever had at a buffet. This one's totally different, but they're both really good. They're different, and they're both really good here. So Hard Rock, A+ on your mac and cheese no matter where you get it here. This garlic toast really complements the mac and cheese. It's toasted or grilled, I should say, and it's crispy on the outside but very tender and fresh on the inside. Lots of butter coming through, lots of garlic coming through. I'm enjoying this toast just as much as the mac and cheese. If I had to find an issue with this meal, and I'm really struggling to find one, it was just a little bit on the salty side, and someone had a heavy hand in the kitchen with the salt. If it was under-seasoned, I could always add salt here at the table, but once it's salted, there's not much I can do about it. So again, I'm struggling to find an issue here. It was just a little bit salty, and other than that, I really enjoyed this meal. Twisted mac and cheese, $23.99. Unsweetened iced tea, $3.79. My entire meal with tax came to under $30, not including gratuity. Some of you may be thinking that's an awful lot for a mac and cheese, but don't forget there was also a grilled chicken breast with the mac and cheese, and we're also in the Hard Rock. You're going to pay a premium for being in a nice place, having a nice dinner, so I realize $30 is a lot of money for mac and cheese, but it's worth that premium when you consider the atmosphere and everything else going on here, and it was very good. Besides, have you been to McDonald's lately? For like $10, you get a crappy burger, some fries, and a medium soft drink. So I'm not comparing the two, and I shouldn't be comparing the two, but I'm just saying everything's expensive these days, guys. Don't forget to check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below if you want to look as good and cool as I do, and that's a challenge, it really is. But if you want to try to come close to looking as good and cool as I do, you need to shop at the New York store. Lots of cool New York swag there. Get your cool on, get your New York on. Check it out, link in the description below. By the way, another slot pool coming up shortly here on the New York channel from the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Well, it looks like the sun's coming out. That's nice. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.